Welcome to Lesson 12. As you can see, Lesson 12 is about using estimation when multiplying. Estimating is when you find a close answer to what the actual problem is looking for. And it can be helpful because it allows us to be able to check our work and make sure that we know that our answer is a reasonable answer. So with estimating, I have my problem here, 6 times 3 and 2/10. And I want to estimate, I want to get a close answer to what the answer to this would actually be. And I have 3 choices here. So if I look at just the whole number part of this problem, I see that that is 6 times 3. And I know that 6 times 3 is 18. And so I'm looking for an answer that has close to 18 as part of the answer. So if I look here, 192 thousandths, well, that's not anywhere close to the whole number of 18. 192, this is not anywhere close either. But 19 is pretty close to 18. And so I know that a good estimation of the answer for this problem would be 19 and 2/10. This is probably going to be the answer based on what I have here as my choices. So now I have another problem with some choices, and I want you to pause and come up with your answer for this. What do you think would be a good estimation for this problem? Come back when you found your answer and we'll compare. Okay, I'm glad you're back. So if I look at the whole numbers here again, I have 12 times 2, which I know is 24. So I'm looking for the choice here that's going to get me pretty close to 24. So if I look here, 29, well, that's pretty close to 24, but I should probably check the other 2 answers as well to make sure that this is the best answer. So 2 and 952 thousandths. Now, 2 is not anywhere close to 24. 295 and 2/10. No, that's not anywhere close to 24 either. So it looks like this is probably going to be my answer based on my estimation. So now we can use this estimation method to check our work, and we're going to look at using the traditional method to multiply decimals. So here I have 2 and 1300ths times 3. I'm going to write this vertically, and I'm not going to worry about the decimal just yet. The decimal part will come at the end. I'm just going to multiply right now. So 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. So I have 639 here, but I do still have a decimal that's right here. And I need to make sure that I put my decimal in the correct place here. So the way that I'm going to do this is to count how many places have a digit after the decimal in my problem. So I have 2 place values after the decimal. And so that means I need to have 2 place values after the decimal in my answer. So there's 1, 2, my decimal goes here. And if I take a look at this problem, I can check to see, using estimation, if this is a reasonable answer. 2 times 3 is 6, and I have 6 as part of my answer here. It's pretty close, which means this is a reasonable answer for my problem. I hope this helps.